Hello again, Steve here from SHGP Media. Now, this won't be a long video, but I've got a couple of little products which have been purchased recently for the Christmas themed layout for detailing on the station. Now, these products were the first products I've ever ordered on Etsy, and I think they're pretty decent. So let's take a look at these now. First up, we have a product from Model Railway Scenes. These produce custom signs for your station. Now, see, Abbot Darcy. Why Abbot Darcy? The part of this layout, the idea was it to be family orientated. The actual whole name for the actual layout is Together at Christmas. So there you go, little exclusive there, not announced that yet. But I wanted a name for the station, and I've done things before, taking the letters from different names of family members and using anagrams and stuff to come up with different names. Now in this case, for my family, my partner's name, that of my in-laws, the surname is Abbott, and I like to include that as part of the station name. I had a look at a variety of different Abbotts across the country, and different village names. Didn't necessarily come up with anyone in particular, and then came up with different ideas on my own. Now, local to me, we have a place called the Offords. And there are two Offords, Offords Cluny and Offord Darcy. And I put those Abbott Cluny, Abbott Darcy in the list, presented it to the family, and of the four of them, said to basically select the name which is your preference. They did so, put them in a hat. My daughter drew those out, and the name that came out was Abbot Darcy. So that's how we've got to that. But say the actual product itself, I mean, these are great. The detail on them is fantastic. Very much sort of like Great Western style. Now I ordered two of these because I wanted to have one sign for the station, and the other one I was going to cut the posts off and put on the signal box. And then, lo and behold, includes one free sign. So I've got a third one. So I'll be keeping the ones with the actual points on the end, and I'll use this one. I thought that's actually broken off. But use the one at the back. Just not too fussed about that. But yeah, I'll cut that off and then use the Abbot Darcy sign bit on there to attach to the signal box. There you go. But I'll put a link to this guy. And yeah, he has an option where you can register an account, create your little account with them, and then you get 25% off for your products as you go. And then relatively inexpensive. Great little thing, so especially for like custom made sort of things. So yeah, so there you go. So that's that one. Now I was looking for more detailing items to go on the station, and I've got these two products here from Tinker's Models. Now in this case we've got these the 3D printed items. In this case we've got luggage to go on the platform. It's very common on these preserved lines. You'll see these little items of baggage stacked around on the station platform to give it that sort of authentic sort of look. So therefore, found a couple of these, very nicely priced. Stick some of these on the platform, paint those up. Those should look good. The other one are some laser cut signs. Like I say, they can come unpainted. In this case, I selected mine painted. They've got all different colours as well, based on what sort of area sort of station you're trying to create. These be absolutely fantastic to add on around the station building. If you want your platforms, stick it off to waiting rooms, etc. And some of your warning signs as well. So yeah, there you go. There's details for that company, tinkersmodels.co.uk. These were ordered again through Etsy as well. I'll put the link to those. So there we go. So 3 different little items there. Nice little short video. Again, I'm not getting paid by these guys. It's all about showcasing different items which I've seen, which I think are particularly good. And I'm more than willing to support the creators. So there you go. Until next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.